My woman's actually getting to see hail for the first time. Pick a couple up. Hold them in your hand, Mom. Here, let's get him a hail. Look at the freaking. Oh, I gotta get all this shit back. Valeni! I wonder if it's coming off. God, look at the hail. I wonder if my ditches are gonna work for Lenny. Holy shit. That's the size of that hail right there. I guess it's not that big, maybe 3/8. Oh shit. Come on, Montana. Come here. Montana, come here. Come on, Mickey D. Come on. Don't go run, be scared. Come on, big guy. Come on. All right. Say hello to Mickey D. Come on, Mickey D. Ready, Montana? Get your butt in there. Go on. Look out, guys. What?
Phil? I touched it.
What? Hot?
No, remember.
Oh, the hail. Hail. Ice.
Yeah, the color is la graine.
La graine.
Yeah, when I kid, I see good ice.
Holy. Hey, Sophie! God damn it, I just get in the house, Bo. Sophie! Come on, Buffalo!